Hi, I'm James Beale from Clark Dental Veterinary. I'm here on site today setting up the new Adaptix VetSA3D for Dr. Adam Burch and his new mobile vet surgery. Adaptix brings fast, accurate 3D diagnostics into mobile veterinary practices. It is incredibly simple to operate and will elevate patient care in a compact, portable design.
Hello, my name's Dr. Adam Burch. I'm here today with our mobile veterinary surgery. We are a brand new independent veterinary practice that has onboard X-ray, ultrasound, full blood work and including a full laboratory for testing all of our inpatients and our animals that come to see us. Today we've kindly had Clark Dental on site fitting our brand new Adaptix unit, which is a 3D X-ray unit. These things are much more detailed than your conventional 2D X-ray. Gives you more detail on things like tooth roots, on things like joints, allowing us to diagnose things much more accurately and to perform the specific preventive checks and preventive care that we need to do according to the thing that we find.
If you'd like to set up a system for your veterinary practice, please get in touch with us.